We have seen videos of disregard for bodies of the deceased COVID-19 patients. With family and friends choosing to stay away from them, many COVID-19 victims do not get a deserving goodbye. A group of Bengaluru residents, upon seeing this, has chosen to help.
When there was not even one single person out on the road, it was just who we saw, okay, there are the people who are getting the dead bodies here, they're struggling to carry those. Since there was no many youngsters accompanying the dead bodies, it was only the old people who used to come. So we saw this and we said, since we've been born and brought up here locally in this area, why don't we form a team and help these people?
Grieving family members do not have many people to turn to during these times. Armed with PPE kits, these people gear up to show humanity when not many gather.
We have got so many cases where we have done for Christians, Hindus, whichever people come, we are doing it for humanity's sake, not for only a particular community.
Through all this, there is still the question, what about the safety of the living?
Recently we had some issues that they left the PPE kits and all that. Because of that, we are taking special precautions to burn the PPE kit, and then once they come back, we have a few particular people, and this person who's standing here, he is the one who does the desanitization for the person who wears the PPE kits. And we have got a team, different work is allotted to different people.
But these are not without hurdles or challenges, and they have requested help from the authorities.
The problem here is, one thing is the hygiene of the place. Second thing is, there is no BBMP who is coming in and sanitizing each and everyone who passes after doing the burial. The people who come along with the family members who come along with the dead bodies. Plus the third is, the sanitization of ambulances has not been done.
They have got BBMP, they have to give the clearance. They try to, tell that, go get the clearance from the MHO. And they have got issues that, MHO, that particular place where the person has died, or the person where he is living, or the person where he is cremated. That's a very big issue we have got. Now that, the MHO is, they have got their own this thing, and we try to contact the MHOs. MHOs are not giving us a response.
In short, I just want the government to help these people, the deprived people, in some or the other way, where at least the final rites can be conducted free of cost.